to DJ Tunez, Terry Apala, and DJ Osas. If you would like, you can come outside. If you don't like, more no come outside. But what I want people to understand, corruption does not have to do only and solely to politicians. These three people were allegedly invited to the EFCC office: DJ Tunez, Terry Apala, and DJ Osas. Some, they drove them to Sheraton. Some, they drove them to Eco Hotel, front of that place where they changed dollars. That was how they changed dollars. And these people paid, some of them paid $6,000, some of them paid $5,000. So they invited them to EFCC, and this is what the invitation letter looks like. As you can see on my screen, investigation activities invitation letter. The commission is investigating a case in which the need to obtain clarification from you is imperative. In view of the above, you are requested to kindly report for an interview with the undesigned True Head Special Operation Team 2 as scheduled below. So this is the day that I had to clean everything so that they will not know the exact person they sent this one to. 2025, as you can see, 1,000 hours, venue, Library Block B, number 15A, Awolowo Road, Ikoyi, Lagos. Now, when these people came to the office, allegedly, they told them to drop their phones so that they cannot record anything. So they presented some clips that they saw them spraying money in some events, that they saw them spraying money, and if they don't want what they did to Bobrisky to happen to them, that they should settle. Some, they drove them to Sheraton. Some, they drove them to Eco Hotel, front of that place where they changed dollars. That was how they changed dollars. And these people paid, some of them paid $6,000, some of them paid $5,000. Show you they see corruption. You understand? You would ask, why is very dark man talking? It's only me that can say it in this country. EFCC are very corrupt. They are way more corrupt than the police in my book. They are way more, forget say that they chase after politicians. The corruption have eaten them deep. And they take advantage of that, their office. A lot of them, not all. There are some good officers. A lot of them take advantage of that office to obtain all these young boys on the streets. And now, they are moving fast to start obtaining some celebrities. Now, furthermore, for Nigerians to believe what I'm talking about, if to say how they lie for that easy tea thing, EFCC for don't sue me. See how they lie for their officers' head. Therefore, don't sue me. Ask yourself why they no agree sue. Ask yourself why they no agree sue. Anyways, so EFCC, like I said, for my hand, now they collect steady. Without corruption too much. Steady. And you all will learn. Yeah, you all will learn the hard way.